famously called them during the season, we've got to be the dumbest team in America. That did not go over well. Obviously, he was coming in as a guy that came in with John Gruden, and John Gruden left. But it seems to be, from some of the things we just heard, there seems to be some confusion as to when the game plan actually changed. Tim Brown said Friday, Jerry Rice said Friday. Other people said maybe it was because of Barrett Robbins. Now, Barrett Robbins went missing Saturday, so that would maybe necessitate a game plan change. We don't understand, and maybe it's not quite clear when the game plan changed. But, Eric, as a head coach in the NFL, and a guy who hired Bill Callahan to be your assistant head coach and offensive line coach in the Jets, can you in any way, in any circumstances, under any possibilities, imagine him trying to sabotage his own team's chances of winning the Super Bowl?
There is no possible way that Bill Callahan would ever sabotage the Super Bowl or any other game as a head coach, as an assistant coach, as anybody affiliated with the team. That's not who he is. When I first saw this article, I thought, this is ridiculous, and the only thing that would be more ridiculous is if someone actually believed it. This is, you work too hard to get that opportunity. And I know Bill Callahan extremely well. I know the person he is. I know the coach that he is. He would never do that. If anything, he would work as hard as possible to make sure that he beat his friend. That rivalry, that would fire him up even more. It's unbelievable that someone would say that in this situation.